Everybody, I wish everything is fine and welcome back to the second part of Lecture 5, Hiding Regions and Introducing Gaps using Jalview. This is the part 2 of that lecture, and in this lecture, we'll just see how to represent a group of sequences. So as you can see, we can just go to our multiple sequence alignment, and we can select a region. And this region from the multiple sequence alignment, we can edit it or just put a name for it or a description. So there's many things we can do in this purpose. So as you can see, as arrow number 1 indicates, we just select the area. Maybe this is important domain or important site for our sequence, and we just would like to represent it or just copy it or whatever we would like to do to edit it. So simply we just, as arrow number 1 just indicate, we just select it and then right click on this area. We will have a menu which is start with selection, and from this the word selection at arrow number 2, you will get this sub menu at arrow number 3, and in the end of it you will see edit group. So this is group the one that we like select, and we edit the name and description of the current group from that sub menu. So you just put at arrow number 5, as you can see, just press on it and you can edit the name, write the group name, just name for this group of sequences that you would like to just mark them with a name, special name for them. And of course, you can put also a description for that group of sequences. So after we select the sequence, you can edit the name and description. Of course, also you can do a removing or editing gaps. So as you can see from here, you can, of course, after the alignment, you can edit many things. And you have to remember that editing, if you would like to delete or insert, it's always to the left of any position. First of all, you have to select the position, just stand in the position you want to change, and you can delete or add any insert or delete any residue you want from this selection. So, and as I said, try always to remember that when you insert or delete, this will happen to the left of the sequence you select. So anyway, so this is a very good way for to change or to interact with your sequences. Here, as you can see, that of course you can perform perform this editing while you are using the editing mode, keyboard editing mode, and this, of course, you can change from the normal mode or the mouse mode to the editing mode using the F2 key as we described before. And then you can select any, as I said, any part or any region, and you just can, as arrow number 1 indicates, and then from arrow number 2, you can just right click on that area and then choose selection. And from this selection, you can go to the sub menu, which indicated by arrow number 3. And then from that sub menu at arrow number 4, you can select edit. And from the edit submenu that will come over here at the menu at arrow number 5, you can copy that region if you want and paste it in other place, or you can cut and or edit the sequence itself and or change it to the uppercase or lowercase or toggle case. So you can do this for any part of the sequence that you would like to edit it, or you can want to mark it or to make it look special. You can make it lowercase or toggle case. So it's actually very good methods to do that. Okay, or you can start editing the specific region by using different options, as we will see here. The same thing, like you, I have this few sequences within one sequence, like few residue here. At arrow number 1, I just choose that this residue, I would like to change them. So I just press right click, I will get selection. From this selection menu, there is sub menu here, it comes, and you will go down until you get edit. As you can see here, edit, this edit option. And from this that edit option, there is many options here. The sub menu at arrow number 5 that you can copy these sequences or cut them, or edit them. Edit means like you change, remove one and add another one, stuff like this, or convert them to uppercase or lowercase or even toggle case. So whatever way you would like to mark these sequences for different purposes, and to just make them looks different from the rest of the sequences in your multiple sequence alignment. So this is one of the very good way. You can also edit few residues within single sequence in a multiple sequence alignment, as we showed you earlier. When you just choose a sequence and then just mark or just choose where you would like to change, the area you would like to change it, and just right click and edit. When you will have something like this, you can edit the sequence, remove, for example, a gap, adding another gap, or adding a sequence, whatever you would like to change. And the good thing about it, it will not like destroy the whole thing. It's just this you specifically target some sequences that can be changed. Like here, as you can see here, I choose this part, and I would like to, for example, make it looks different from the rest of the alignment for a specific region, for example. So as you see, I just select them, and from the menu, right click, from the menu selection, I choose edit, and from edit, I choose from the sub menu the lowercase. This means that I will make the residue here having lowercase instead of uppercase. So if you look here at this area here, that which is just outlined by this red line here, it all are small letters. There is no like caps or big letters, as you see, all small letters like here. So this letter case has changed. So it make this area or this region is a little bit different from the others. So I can easily figure out that it is different. So it should mean something for me. This can be applied as you see, and you can just practice the same techniques as you can see from here, and also from this link. There's many questions about this visualization tool and Jalview. I hope you like it, and let's go to the next stage. Thank you very much for listening.